Alright, YouTubers, we got an update on the Losi rock ray. I just got the motor, came in a main hobbies in California. I ordered it on the 1st and it just got here. So it's ridiculous because I ordered the this ESC the same day, and that came from a different part of California, and that was here on the 8th. So 7 days and 14 days or whatever. So alright, so we got the 140 amp XR8 short course truck censored ESC with the 3200 kV censored 3660. So I just waterproofed the electronics where you solder them out in case it does go in water. This kit is really nice. I'm liking it. The only thing I don't like about it is the plastics to screw into is kind of soft, so you never know really when to stop, tighten it down. And another thing that doesn't get me is why all these RCs use fine thread screws to screw in the plastic. Now the Mugen, that uses a coarse thread, which makes sense because it's going to bite more, but whatever. But alright, here's what we got. We got the Hot Racing. These are it's carbon fiber plate on the outside, aluminum. Alright, so if you do get this kit, I don't know how durable these are, but that would definitely be one thing to get. This cross brace right here, which goes right here, is definitely a good thing to get, because that's a prone area to break. I went and got the SSD aluminum front diff case, and the reason why is because here's the stock one, and it has a plastic race right in there for a bearing, and then one on the outside, and then that little gap in between, and the walls are really thin, so they don't have nothing for the rear. For the rear, I just got the pumpkin. They do have the whole rear, but I didn't get that. But we'll get. This isn't what they had. Where the motor goes, they don't have nothing in this that's aluminum. So it seems like everything's good in there. You mount the motor plate, the motor to this plate, and then that slides up from the bottom and meshes in. So yeah, there's no slipper or nothing. So it goes right to this drive shaft, and right to this dog bone right up here. It goes to the diff, and then the diff is got 60K in it. Now the shock tower, rear shock tower, is Hot Racing, which is something that you're gonna need because that's cheesy. And this bolts down here and holds your sway bar link. So I got the this is all one piece. The front CVDs is Hot Racing, and truthfully, these are plastic, but they feel pretty solid, and then it's metal on the end, so this is probably something that you could get away with not getting. The arms are nice. They have this plate that screws on top to stiffen it up. It's got your little rotor and caliper. Let me get this out of the way. The steering assembly is Hot Racing. That you definitely need. I have that down I have that still down in the and here's the shock tower cross brace for the front shock towers, because these don't come in aluminum neither, so you just got to get the cross brace instead of this plastic one. So hopefully that'll stiffen it up. So like I said, I got the rear drive shaft, the rear arms. I put XT90, and that just comes down here, so then your battery goes into the back. There's a little door here. You pull that door open, put your battery in, and then plug it right into the XT90 right there, which is right in here. Let's see what else. Like I said, it's night and day difference than the Axial. This kit I would recommend. Yes, you're gonna need a couple upgrades, but what don't you? Now, here's the Hot Racing shocks that I got. They're really nice. They're all aluminum, threaded body, threaded collars. So the back's got the double spring. These are the same as the Proline ones, but for the Proline, these two back is as much as I paid for all four, so I figured I'd give them a shot. So since they gave me blue, is their color scheme. See all the little blue caps and stuff. And black. I had and then the roll cage on this is gray. I really had no choice but to go with this. I went with the metallic blue with the silver, and I put the black metallic fender wheels in black. It gives you a light bar too. And then the top I just did the stripe. Kept it simple. And then, like I said, the back, just a little where the black wheel well is. So it's coming out badass. Like I said, I had to work backwards again, but that'll go something like that once it's on. You know what I mean? Get the idea. Let's see what else. So yeah, that bottom plate right there, these screws, you remove that and then the motor slides down. I kept the stock pinion. I got the Savox 1268 SG, which is like pretty badass. I think it's right here. 347 ounces of torque, so it's 25 kilograms, and speed 0.11. So that should definitely do it. Oh yeah, speaking of which, I got the Hot Racing servo mount too. That's definitely a must, because this comes across and ends up being these two braces right here, and then that screws down to your chassis. So the plastic one that they got is really cheesy. So you gotta figure, if you didn't have this aluminum, you'd have plastic that's holding your cross brace to your chassis, and then these tall tubes holding the servo. So then you'll be getting flex, you know what I mean? So alright, hold on, let me close this. The rap music. This guy's pretty good. A country rapper called Upchurch. This is Alice in Chains.
One thing that was jammed in my neck of the woods. The way Lady Staley sang rap music
from Tennessee.
made you actually feel the words. And that inspired me to write.
Let's see, so what else? That's basically it. It gives you the tripod with the aluminum arms. We're almost there. I'll put the shocks on. Get my receiver hooked up, because it wants the receiver back here, but and it's just exposed. So I want to maybe hook it here with the Arma waterproof. So I think I'll put that there. Alright, YouTubers, that's it. That's an update. Next time you see it, she'll be all done. Alright, I'm out.